Hey everybody, it's day 3 and we have finally, well unfortunately we are leaving Callaghan Valley. Thank you so much Journeyman, Journeywoman for an epic stay. Now we're skiing back to the car. I cannot wait to come back. Ski jumps! Did you guys see the ski jumps? Huh? Did you see the ski jumps? What? You didn't look up and see the ski jumps over there? No. They're right there.
You look so stoked.
You missed. Yeah.
Go there too. So were you?
We just came down here. Oh.
Lodge.
Right? Yeah, but so you skied up there, like, or?
Oh yeah, we skied at Journeyman Peak. Yeah.
Journeyman, okay, like the tall peak on this side.
Kind of. Yeah.
Okay. See, like, how did you get there? Like, you slept at the lodge and then you just did
Yeah.
your
We slept to the lodge and then we ski tour.
Okay.
Because we have the skins.
And then, like, you came all the way back to the lodge?
Started turning.
Aga, that was so fun. That was it. That was our time at Journeyman Callaghan Valley, aka Journeywomen.
Journeywomen.
Cannot wait to come back next year. Holy cow, there was so much to do. It was so nice just walking, no noise, just silence.
No sleds.
Great people. Thank you so much, Journeyman, Callaghan Country.
Thank you.